Inside this playbook, you'll discover three things: proven framework for aligning strategy and execution. That's the first one. Number two, powerful insights to turn agile into a competitive advantage. And number three, cutting edge techniques to leverage AI and innovation in your organization. This is your opportunity to shift from struggling with agile to thriving with agile. Whether you're starting out or refining your approach, this playbook is designed to work for you. Here's how you get it. Visit arisrosales.com in the link below. Subscribe to my exclusive newsletter and download your free copy of the CEO's Playbook for Agile Success instantly. It's that simple. And your future self and your business will thank you for it. Don't wait for your competitors to gain the edge. The strategies in this playbook are being implemented by some of the most successful leaders today. This is your chance to access them for free. But I can promise you this offer will last forever. Success this year belongs to those who act boldly and strategically. The road to your agile transformation starts here. Go to arisrosales.com start and subscribe now and to claim your free playbook.